I finally picked the Taylor GS Mini over the Little Martin. Check my last video for comparison. I love Taylor's bright sound and how comfortable it feels to hold. I'll spend the coming months with this guitar from zero to play my favorite songs. I'll share my progress, my struggles, and breakthroughs in this channel. The first thing I noticed? The smell. It has that amazing new wood scent. The store even set it up with softer strings to help my fingers. I can barely play a C chord. Let's hear how it sounds in beginner hands. What do you think? Will this guitar make me willing to practice every day?